Hi everyone, this is Hannah, and today I'm going to do a quick tutorial video for this center die, and this is the die set. So first you need to cut it in white cardstock, and then you will get a piece like this one, and this piece is cut out, the face part is cut out, and you need to also cut this part into to make the face part. So you need to make it into a face color pattern paper. Since I don't have that kind of paper, so I'm going to use a marker pen. It's the skin white to color it, so to make it into the face color. And then you also need to cut this piece. So I also cut it in white color, and then for this one I cut it in just with a foam, so to make it pop up. And then you will also need to cut, this is the eyes, so cut it one time with the black color, and then cut it one time with the white color to make the eyeballs. And this is the part to make the nose. So I also cut it in white color, and then I need to color it with the mark pen. And this part is going to be this mouth part, like the tongue. So I also made it into I cut it into the red color. And then for this part, this is going to be the eyebrow. So I cut it in white color, and this one is going to be the pom-pom of the head part. So I cut it, let me see, I cut it also in the same color as the head part, so in this silver foam color, so to make it pop up. And also for this top head part, you need to cut like this part with the in red color. So I colored it in this part like so. Then we need to use this piece. And then for a better presentation, I also cut it in foam. See, cut it in foam. So then I will assemble all the things on this foam part, so you could see it better. So let's get started. So first let's glue this piece on top. And then for this one and the nose part, so colored it with this mark pen. And now layer this piece on top. And this is the piece for the mouth. And this is the piece for the tongue. And now let's come to this part. So you need to fussy cut it along this line, like so. So you have this embossing line here. So just fussy cut it like this way. See, like this, and now put it on top. It's okay for this part because this part, it will be hid by the top pom-pom part. And now layer this piece on top. Now you will not see that cutting piece, right? And now also layer this piece on top. And this is the eyes part. It's about this part. Well, I can't find the other eyeball. Well, I can't find it, but there will be another, white eyeball in this part. Okay, now let's glue the nose part on top of the build. And you can use some foam dots to make it pop up on the, see, like so. And the last part is for the eyebrows. So this center is ready to go, and yeah, then I will add this eyeball here, and then you could put it on cards or on your gift cards or on the gift bag. Yeah, so it looks like this. And yeah, so this is for this video. So thank you for watching. I'll catch you in my next craft video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.